Hi everyone, in this video I will be sharing my 10-step nighttime skincare routine. Let's start with removing the makeup, for which I will be using an oil cleanser. I use an oil cleanser daily even if I don't wear any makeup to get rid of sunscreen. The cleanser I've been loving is from Suganda. This is their lightweight oil cleanser with SQUALANE. It has no fragrance, it melts makeup in seconds and it's extremely lightweight. You can wash it off like normal oil cleanser. Double cleansing is necessary if you wear makeup very often. Even if you don't wear any makeup, double cleansing makes sure that you don't have any residual sunscreen or skincare product on your skin. So I highly recommend it. The skincare products you apply after double cleansing will get deeper into the skin. To get rid of extra oil, I'm using this cleansing pad. I've noticed that I need way less water if I wipe my face with this pad before washing it. This one is from Earth Rhythm. It's super soft and reusable, so you can simply wash it with your other clothes and use again. For cleanser, I will be using the Earth Rhythm PHYTO Ceramide Foaming Cleanser. It has 3% ceramide and is best for dry and dehydrated skin. I use this cleanser because the moisture barrier on and around my lips gets damaged quite often. The ceramide helps in repairing and protecting the barrier. It has a very refreshing fragrance. I massage it into my skin for a minute and wash it off. After getting rid of excessive water from my face, I will be using my first toner. For that, I like using a very watery toner. Here I have the PLUM's NIACINAMIDE 3% toner. This feels like applying water on your skin and it just rehydrates the skin. I need my face to be somewhat wet because I will be using a hyaluronic acid packed toner next, and anything with hyaluronic acid should not be applied on completely dry skin. You can even spray some water on your face before applying anything with hyaluronic acid. The next toner that I will be using is the S&P Prep Peptaronic toner. This has 6 different types of hyaluronic acids. It makes your skin super plump and glowy. It's very lightweight, plus the bottle has a lot of product, so it does last 6 months at least. This does nourish and hydrate your skin. Just make sure that you dab it into your skin. Don't swipe it all over your face. If you see any white lather while application of this toner, it's either because you haven't washed the cleanser properly or because you're rubbing this toner too much into your skin. After this, I will be using an essence. This is the COSRX Advanced SNAIL 96 Mucin Power Essence. I just love the consistency of this product. This essence again is something that deeply hydrates and moisturizes your skin. It makes your skin look plump and glowy. It also provides anti-aging benefits. I purchased it from Lemes during a recent sale. This gets absorbed into your skin really quickly. It has a very slimy consistency, but it is lightweight. This actually gives a very glassy glow to your skin. It has a very faint, soothing fragrance. For my eye area, I will be using the Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG serum. This product has worked wonders for my dark circles. The only requirement with this product is consistency. You need to apply it twice a day and really massage the skin around your eyes to relieve all the stress. No product can make your dark circles disappear. This too needs to be combined with proper water intake and diet to get results. But overall, this is the only product that did do something for my dark circles. While massaging this, make sure that you are using the ring finger. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure. I like massaging this in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, and I apply it all around my eyes. After this, I will be using a serum. This is the 20% vitamin C serum from Nykaa. I make sure to keep a gap of 90 seconds while layering skincare, especially serums, moisturizers and facial oils. This serum is for hyperpigmentation. I didn't start with 20% vitamin C. I started with 7%, then I moved on to 10, then 15, and now I'm using 20%. Now this is a really good serum, but it does make my face a little sticky after application, but I do apply a facial oil. It evens everything. I am loving my current routine and it's really working for my pigmentation and skin and all that, but I also want you to know that I've had good skin almost my entire life. I've never had a lot of breakouts and stuff like that, and I'm really thankful for that. It makes me want to pamper and love my skin even more. For moisturizer, I have the Suganda SQUALANE CERAMIDE moisturizer. This product is for damaged skin barrier and dry skin. This is very lightweight, it moisturizes your skin really well. It has no fragrance and it is quick absorbing. The main reason why I use this is because it heals skin's barrier, and as I said, my skin's barrier gets damaged a few times in a year. That is the reason why my lips have a different color now. Final step for my face will be a facial oil. This is the PLUM's Glow Restore Facial Oil Blend. This is the most lightweight facial oil you can have. This has a blend of 10 natural oils. It doesn't feel greasy, prevents moisture loss, and I basically use it as an occlusive. This is to seal everything I applied on my skin, and in the end you can see that it makes my skin super smooth and non-sticky. All the products were lightweight, so my skin doesn't actually feel like I applied 5 to 6 skincare products. For my lips, I use the Vaseline Lip Therapy. This is the original variant. You can clearly see how much I love it. I use it very often. This provides long-lasting moisture, at least 4 to 5 hours. It's not too shiny like a gloss, and that's something I really like. It's also available in aloe vera, rose and cocoa variant, but the original one is my favorite. It has no fragrance and no color. And that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. I will be sharing my daytime routine soon. My daytime routine is more minimal and quick as compared to nighttime because I want to nourish and heal my skin during the night, and daytime is all about protecting your skin from the sun. And that's it for the video. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.